That's exactly right. We're bracing for rain. We're bracing for snow as well. Dallas getting little snow, as we mentioned, and that was quite a little surprise. Big temperature swings there. In fact, just a few days ago, they were very warm in the 80s. Different case right now. Here at home, we didn't get to the 80s today, but we got to the 70s, and we are getting a lot cooler over the next couple of days as a system comes in from the north. That's your colder system. So with that, we'll see snow, cooler conditions as well. Mostly clear out there, as we just saw. Satellite radar showing you mostly clear conditions at the moment as well. Currently, temperatures are in the 40s and the 50s generally. A couple spots in the 60s. Santa Monica being one of them at 61. Pasadena 58. Wrightwood 42, in the Apple Valley, a little cooler at 46. So earlier today, we made it to 74 degrees. That was for downtown. Average is 68 and record numbers 87. Didn't get anywhere too close to that. We were above average. We're keeping it above average for now. Tonight, though, it's cool, it's clear. We're getting down to 50 under calm conditions, 53 in the morning hours, and by the afternoon, we're getting up to about 71 degrees. So we are shedding just a few degrees, but we're still above average. We're still talking plenty of sunshine and calm conditions wind-wise. Even though we are under high pressure, it doesn't look like the wind will really be a factor at this point. The case was a little different last week. We did think that we would get a bigger wind event. Not the case anymore. So at this point, nice and calm, and we are expecting rain in the forecast, as we mentioned as well. We're going to break that down for you. We'll show you exactly where it's going to rain and when on FutureCast in just a little bit. Lena and Sylvia, back to you. You don't need them this week. Oh. Don't waste the water, because we've got nature's water on the way. We've got rain on the way. We've got snow on the way as well. And we've got a pretty nice forecast. Clear out there right now, and still talking one more day of sunshine. Couple people braving the cool temperatures on the pier tonight. You'll see right here in Santa Monica, mostly clear, not as much fog as well we've been seeing the last few days. Your satellite radar showing you mostly clear conditions there. And as we get a look at current temperatures, we're in the 40s, we're in the 50s. We've got a few 60s out there as well. 59 in Van Nuys, 59 as well in downtown, and 59 as well in Long Beach for us this evening. So it's sunny and mild for now. As we head into tomorrow, we're still looking at a pretty nice forecast in the way of sunshine. Rain is on the way. Best chance coming in Wednesday, lasting through your Thursday. 1/4 of an inch through about 1/2 an inch of rain. That's going to be in the lower elevations. In the higher elevations, possibly close to an inch around the foothills and the mountains. And snow levels, pretty impressive. The lows that we've seen all season dropping down to about 3,000 feet. So we could see snow there, and we could see accumulations of about 6 inches around 4,500 feet. As we get a look at FutureCast, we're showing you when and where the rain is going to enter the picture. You'll see by 9 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, it's still looking dry, but as we carry on through 12 o'clock, we're looking at a little more rain sitting over the central coast, eventually translating into our forecast by the evening hours. By 5 o'clock, it's working its way in. By 7 o'clock, becoming a little more widespread, even more widespread by 9 o'clock in the evening. And as we carry on through Wednesday night into Thursday, we're still expecting that chance of showers in the forecast. Leftover showers by your Thursday, clearing up by your Friday. And by Saturday, we're eyeing maybe, just maybe, another slight chance of showers Saturday into Sunday. For the coast, rain Wednesday and Thursday, and drying out by Friday. And again, question mark for the weekend, but there is a slight chance, so keep that in mind. Sylvia and Lena, back to you. All right. And we're looking at a chance of rain and snow in the forecast, starting to feel like winter, which is around the corner. We'll have all the details coming right up.
It's very
beautiful.
nice. All right, and you've been dry lately, it seems like the last few days, so kind of the idea of rain sounds really good right now.
Yeah, we did get a few dry days and gorgeous days. I mean, plenty of sunshine out there. Clear, gorgeous, nice. We're doing it again tomorrow, so don't worry. I wouldn't put things away quite yet and get ready for the rain. You will have to at some point, though, because as we head to the later 53 degrees, and that's right here at the Broadcast Center in Studio City. Clear conditions out there generally, and we're going to keep things pretty clear tonight. Temperatures cool as well, 40s and 50s with a few 60s. 57 in Anaheim, 60 in downtown Valencia at 54 degrees. So over the next 24 hours, we're expecting 50s and more 50s, but by the afternoon, we're warming up nicely. We're expecting plenty of sunshine, and we're up to about 71 degrees. That's going to be for downtown Burbank, 72, Ontario, 72, Lancaster, 64, and Oxnard getting up to about 68 degrees. So as we get a look at FutureCast here, we're timing out the rain. You're wondering when it's going to get here. Well, we're going to take you to Wednesday at 5 a.m. So far, so good. It's still dry, but we are looking at a few little cells coming in. Again, maybe a few showers, not ruling them out of the equation in the morning hours or even in the afternoon hours. A little later in the day, though, the rain's going to start to move in the late afternoon. And by 5 o'clock in the evening, it's really starting to make a beeline toward the Southland. By 7 o'clock in the evening, pretty much everybody in for a chance of rain at this point. That's going to continue through the 9 o'clock hour. And take a look, by 9 o'clock Wednesday night, you're looking at a little bit of blue on your screen, indicating some heavier downpours. So we are looking at steady rain, showers, and maybe even a few heavier spots. Rain total wise, about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch in the lower elevations, up to 1 inch in the higher elevations. And if you're wondering about snow, this will be a snowmaker. We're expecting snow levels to drop down to 3,000 feet with accumulations maybe even 1/2 foot around 4,500 feet. So for the valleys in the Inland Empire, plenty of sunshine, a chance of rain in the forecast, a chance of showers continuing through Thursday. By Friday, partly cloudy and drier, increasing clouds by Saturday. There is a chance of rain, a slight chance Saturday night into Sunday. So we're just leaving a question mark there for you as we head toward the weekend. We will continue to track that chance, but of course we're tracking the chance that's coming our way by Wednesday. Looks pretty good at this point for the beaches. Leftover showers by Thursday, drying up by Friday, cooling down, and increasing cloud cover by Saturday. The mountains, an important one on our list because we are expecting the chance of snow showers. That chance, best chance on Thursday, windy by Wednesday, drying out by Friday. Maybe a good weekend to hit the slopes Saturday and Sunday. Lena and Sylvia, back to you.
Nice.
Hey there, Rick and Sharon, and it's not any old storm. It's a cold storm. It's coming from the north. So with it, it's going to be cooler. It's dropping a decent amount of rain and a good chance of snow in lower elevations. So we'll get there coming up in a bit. But we do want to take you outside right now to Mount Wilson. And as we do, it is mostly clear, minimal cloud cover for a change. And as a result, temperature is quite cool. We're at 53 degrees, and that's right here at the broadcast center. You'll see a satellite radar showing you mostly clear conditions at this point. We're keeping things clear. Temperatures again on the cooler side here in Studio City. We're in the 50s, 57 in Pasadena, 42 in Wrightwood, Lancaster 45, Valencia at 53, Van Nuys at 59, and Santa Monica at 60. So this is what we can expect over the next few days. It's sunny and mild for now. So tomorrow we're still keeping it that way, but we do have rain on the way, expecting about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch over a 2-day period, maybe up to 1 inch in the higher elevations, and snow levels dropping to about 3,000 feet. Between 3,000 and 3,500, just a dusting, but by 4,500 feet, we could potentially get maybe up to 6 inches of snow. So we're going to have more on that coming up in just a bit. For now, back to you. And we're bracing for rain and even snow in the forecast. We'll have all the details coming up. That's exactly right. A cold storm is exactly right. We're expecting rain and we're expecting snow and cooler temperatures. As we get a look at downtown this evening, a little bit of fog out there, but for the most part, we're keeping things much clearer but cooler as a result. 52 degrees, that's right here at the broadcast center in Studio City. So it is sunny and mild for now. There's rain on the way. We're expecting about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch, maybe up to 1 inch in the foothills and the mountains, with snow levels dropping to as low as 3,000 feet. So yes, that does mean potentially we could see some snow in the Grapevine. Accumulations, though, really happening above 3,000 feet. Around 4,500, we're calling for about 6 inches, so pretty impressive there. 74 earlier today in downtown, average is 68, so we were above average for this time of year, and we will continue to stay above average for now. 50 tonight, mostly clear. We don't have any of that cloud cover keeping us insulated tonight. So as a result, the heat is escaping and we're getting cool. Again, 50 degrees, still cool in the morning hours, 53. And by the afternoon, plenty of sunshine, 71 degrees under calm winds. Temperatures tomorrow look a bit like this. Riverside 74, Ontario 72, Irvine 70, Lancaster 64 degrees, and the Ventura County coastline getting into the upper 60s, 68 for Oxnard. You'll see futurecast is set for the 6 o'clock hour, and by 6 o'clock Wednesday morning, we're jumping ahead to Wednesday because that's when that chance of rain is materializing. We're looking at maybe a few showers by 10 o'clock, same thing goes. Then by about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we're going to see a few bands sitting to our north, but we're really not looking at the brunt of it until a little later in the day. By the late afternoon into the early evening hours, into about the 6 o'clock hour around dinner time, we're expecting to see widespread showers that will continue through the 8 o'clock hour. And by 10 o'clock Wednesday night, looking at some heavier downpours indicated by the blue on your screen, and the higher elevations closer to the 15 as well. We're seeing some of that, so we will continue to track this chance of rain as we head into the next 24 hours. But again, best chance at this point will be Wednesday into your Thursday. Also expecting a chance of snow, especially by your Thursday. For the basin in Orange County, 70s turning to 60s as we get a look at the beaches. 60s, keeping things in the 60s until later in the week. We're getting into the 70s for the valleys and the Inland Empire. 70s turning to 60s with a chance of showers in the forecast. For the deserts, 60s across the board. We're drying out by the weekend. And finally, checking in with the mountains, 50s turning to 40s, quickly turning to the 30s as we're expecting a pretty decent chance of snow for Thursday. So for all you skiers and boarders out there, pretty exciting weekend ahead. Rick and Sharon, back to you.